How to fix Instagram account was suspended. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Instagram account. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. Now and first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Instagram. Open the Instagram like this and scroll down the screen and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. Now what you should do, go to this option here, permissions, and go to files and media and allow access to media only, and then go and restart your phone, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.